Okay, today I would like to show you how to create new ArcGIS project and what to set up. I created a folder in C drive and I name it test underline ArcGIS to avoid any special characters like spaces and so. So when I open ArcMap, here is the version ArcMap 10.7. I can see the dialog with such a kind of templates you can use, where is written what is the default geodatabase for the project and so. And in the same time, the blank project is already open behind. So I can use the template blank map, press OK or cancel is the same. And first I save the project. So save the project, find your folder. Here I have Windows C test ArcGIS, and let's name the project. I just name it test and save. Right now in the catalog I can see my home folder, it's test ArcGIS, and in the folder there is test mx, the document. Second thing what to do is to create new file geodatabase. So right click mouse button on the name of the folder, new file geodatabase, which is the workspace. I can name it test database for my project, and let's make it as a home folder. Right click, make default geodatabase. With this option, the ArcGIS will prefer to store all the data in geodatabase. Where to find it? In File, Map Document Properties, I can find it that my default geodatabase is stored over here. In the same time, let's check this box, store relative path names to data sources. In this case, does not matter which drive you are using, CD or flash drive or whatever, you will be all the time able to open your data with your project from the same folder. Easy to handle it. And let's press OK. What to do right now? Let's go into customize extensions, which is very crucial if you would like to use any tools from toolbox, and just check all the boxes you would like to use. In my case, 3D analyst, spatial analyst were the most of things I'm working on, or any other unit. You are able to open any tool you would like to work with. If you are working with tools, sometimes it can help to show help for the tool itself or for even all the boxes. Input, where is written kind of output, or other information about another boxes here. You can use other setup, which is in geoprocessing option. Very helpful is override outputs of geoprocessing operation to create output layer with the same name in case something wrong and you would like to create it again. And your results management never delete to keep the history of the project forever. Sometimes you're looking for ArcMap option, especially about mouse wheel. What happens if you roll forward or drag up, zoom in, zoom out. This is the setup, like for example, you know, from AutoCAD or similar software, or just leave it default. You can see that right now in right down corner there are unknown units. I'm not able to work with scaling till I set up properties of my data frame. I have to set up coordinate system. We can search it by our findings or use code, for example 3045 for the UTM, so in case that we are working with the scale of Czech Republic or Europe scale, it's a good one, or in Czech Republic condition 5514, which is S, the SK East North, which I'm setting up right now. Right now you can see right down corner we are working in meters. There is scaling available. Don't forget to save the project, especially about coordinate system and so. And we are ready to play with the data. So I use add data from ArcGIS Online, where a lot of data is stored, and I use orthophoto CR Czech Republic in SK, which is the coordinate system I'm using, and just add it. Right now I have a map in my project, online map right now. I can import I right click to my database. I can import future layer. I find some just to show you how you can pack your project and send it to someone. I have to find some data already prepared in shapefile, and output location is automatically my test database, my home database. I have to just name the output. I call it water stream because the data are water stream, and input is running tools. As you can see it, this is my result. What does it mean? In my home database, in my home database, in my storage, I can just switch view the panel, and I have one layer here. I just save the project because, let's say the example, I would like to send it to someone. I close it, project. In my folder test ArcGIS, I can find database, I can find there my project. If I use any chance to edit to archive, for example, I use 7-zip, H drive. I can use 7-zip to extract test ArcGIS. As you can see it over here, I'm right now in H drive, which is completely different place than before. Before was C drive. When I open the ArcMap, I can see exactly the same width properties in source right now, the source in his database. And that's the reason why we are setting up in map document properties store relative path names to data source. Good.